Hi, I'm Nicole, one of the Wealth Twins. We teach others how to manage and invest their money. Now, since I believe it's basically a fact that the less you know about money, the more it will cost you, I'm making this video specifically today to talk about financial literacy. After you learn how to create and manage a budget, I think the next best skill to learn is how to protect your credit, because credit is so important in our society and has so many ramifications when you get it wrong and you end up with bad credit. Your credit score is very fragile and important at the same time. Your credit score would dictate what types of loans you get in terms of the rate you get the loan at and also the amount, or even if you can get the loan in general. Your credit score can also dictate maybe where you are able to live. And at one point, your credit score could affect even the job you were able to take. Now, most people start building their credit history around the age of 18. And that's a very young age. And if you're not financially literate, you can do something at that young age that can end up haunting you for years. Bad credit is so prominent in this country that the credit repair business is actually a $3 billion industry. Now, if you use their services to help repair your credit, you might pay upwards to $149 a month for their services. It might seem like a good trade-off if they can actually repair your credit. However, I'm going to show you why this is not exactly a good deal. The reality is that a credit repair company is not magic. They cannot remove anything that's on your credit report that's negative that actually should be there. Anything that a credit repair company can take off your record, you can do it as well for free by yourself. Now, if you really want to repair your credit history, all you have to do is the following. 1, you need to start looking at what's on your credit report. And 2, start paying your bills on time and lower the amount of debt that you have outstanding. If you do that for a consistent basis, you will improve your credit score. Now, if you believe you have bad credit and you want to repair it yourself, the first thing you need to do is actually confirm that you have bad credit. Find out what your credit score is and also get a free copy of your credit report. Everyone in this country is entitled to one free credit report a year by the government. I will leave a link below in the description that will tell you exactly where you can get your free credit report. Once you have your free credit report, you're going to look at the information, and anything that's not correct, I want you to contact the 3 credit agencies, which are TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. All those links I will leave below as well. Now, fixing your credit yourself might not be as easy as actually contacting one of these credit repair companies. However, in the long run, you will benefit from it, because not only you will know what's on your credit report, you will know what you need to do to actually start repairing it yourself, and also later on how you can protect it from going back down in the future. And on top of that, although it may take you a little longer to do it yourself, it will be a lot cheaper than using one of those credit repair companies. So keep some money in your pocket. Now that I've given you a few examples of how just having some knowledge and skills can help you avoid big money mistakes, what should you do if you want to continue to improve your financial literacy? Well, the best way to start would be to go to the library and get some books and some articles about the subject regarding financial literacy. You should take out books about budgeting, books about investing, and also books about credit. After you learn some things about that from the library, you should then take some courses that can help you get a better understanding of those skills and knowledge that you're learning. Because on top of you having a better understanding through courses, it will actually maybe give you a chance to practice the skills that you're honing. You will also want to expose yourself to financial information on a daily or at least a weekly basis. You can do that by reading blogs, listening to podcasts, and of course, watching videos on YouTube. I mean, this is how you found me, right? If you want to hear more money and investing insights from me and my sister, you can always join our free email newsletter that we call the Wealth Pack. In the Wealth Pack community, we break down tough topics and go into detail about what we know and what we're continuing to learn. Our goal with every email is to be valuable, because we want to make sure, just like a pack, no one gets left behind. If you're interested in joining the Wealth Pack community, which is totally free, then check the link in the description below. You know, the good thing about financial literacy is that you can start learning it at any age. You can go at your own pace and you can start right from where you are. It really is a life skill that once you learn it, you can start seeing an impact in your life right away. If you believe this video helped you, do this twin a favor. Show me some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.